Welcome to Hazaribag, nestled in the heart of India. This city is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. Known for its breathtaking landscapes and rich cultural heritage, Hazaribag offers a unique blend of natural beauty and historical significance. This amazing city is in India, specifically in the state of Jharkhand. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, creating a vibrant tapestry of experiences for visitors. It's called Hazaribag for a reason. The name itself translates to 1,000 gardens, and as you explore the city, you'll see why. Each garden is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its natural beauty. The name means 1,000 gardens. Imagine walking through lush gardens filled with vibrant flowers and diverse plant species. It's a paradise for nature lovers and a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. And it lives up to its name. Think beautiful landscapes. Imagine lush greenery stretching as far as the eye can see. The rolling hills and verdant fields create a picturesque setting that is both calming and invigorating. Hazaribag is a treat for your eyes. The natural scenery here is nothing short of spectacular. From panoramic views of gardens to serene lakes and rivers, every corner of Hazaribag is a visual delight. The city is also full of history. Ancient monuments and historical buildings tell the story of Hazaribag's rich past. Each structure has a tale to tell, offering a glimpse into the city's heritage. You'll find many stories here. The local people are warm and welcoming, always ready to share fascinating stories about their city. These narratives add a personal touch to your visit, making it even more memorable. Get ready to explore Hazaribag. Whether you're an adventure seeker or someone looking for a peaceful retreat, Hazaribag has something for everyone. The city's diverse attractions ensure that every visitor leaves with cherished memories. It's a unique blend of nature and culture. From traditional festivals to modern events, Hazaribag celebrates its cultural diversity with great enthusiasm. The city's vibrant culture is reflected in its art, music and dance. Hazaribag is a popular tourist destination. People from all over the world come to experience its beauty and charm. The city's popularity is a testament to its unique appeal and the unforgettable experiences it offers. People come from all over to see its beauty. The scenic viewpoints offer breathtaking vistas that are perfect for photography. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who loves taking pictures, Hazaribag will not disappoint. The city is known for its peaceful atmosphere. The tranquil parks and serene landscapes provide a perfect setting for relaxation and rejuvenation. It's a place where you can unwind and connect with nature. It's a great place to relax and enjoy nature. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll in the park or simply sitting by a lake, the natural beauty of Hazaribag will soothe your soul and refresh your mind. Hazaribag is also home to many ancient temples and historical sites. These sacred places are not only of religious significance but also architectural marvels that showcase the city's rich cultural heritage. This makes it a perfect place for those interested in history and culture. The city's historical sites offer a fascinating journey through time, providing insights into its glorious past and cultural evolution. The city is easy to reach by road or train. Well-connected highways and a reliable railway network make traveling to Hazaribag convenient and hassle-free. It's a destination that's accessible yet feels like a world away. There are also good accommodation options available, from luxury hotels to cozy guest houses. Hazaribag offers a range of lodging choices to suit every budget and preference. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. Hazaribag promises an experience that is both enriching and exhilarating. Pack your bags and head to Hazaribag for an unforgettable experience. Whether you're traveling with family or friends, the city offers something for everyone. It's a journey you won't regret. The memories you make in Hazaribag will stay with you forever, making it a destination worth visiting again and again. Hazaribag sits on the Chotanagpur plateau, a region known for its rich cultural heritage and natural beauty. This plateau is a significant part of the Indian subcontinent, offering a unique blend of history and nature. It is in the northeast of Jharkhand state, a place that is often referred to as the land of forests due to its extensive forest cover and biodiversity. This location gives it a unique geography characterized by rolling hills, dense forests and meandering rivers that create a picturesque landscape. The city is about 130 kilometers from Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand, making it easily accessible for travelers seeking a quick escape into nature. You'll find Hazaribag surrounded by natural beauty with lush green landscapes that are a treat for the eyes and a balm for the soul. There are hills, forests and rivers that weave through the region, creating a diverse ecosystem that supports a variety of wildlife. The terrain is undulating, creating a beautiful landscape that is perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, bird watching and photography. The hills offer breathtaking views, especially during sunrise and sunset, when the sky is painted with hues of orange and pink. The forests are home to diverse flora and fauna, including several endangered species, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts and conservationists. The rivers provide a lifeline to the region, supporting agriculture and providing water for the local communities. They also add to the scenic beauty with their clear waters reflecting the surrounding greenery and sky. Hazaribag is lucky to have a pleasant climate, with moderate temperatures that make it an ideal destination throughout the year. Summers are hot, but the monsoon brings rain that rejuvenates the landscape, turning it into a lush green paradise. Winters are cool and enjoyable, with crisp air and clear skies that are perfect for exploring the outdoors. This makes it a year-round destination, attracting tourists in every season, each offering its own unique charm. You can visit any time and have a great experience, whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or a chance to connect with nature. Hazaribag has a rich history. It also boasts a diverse culture. Tribes and non-tribes have lived here for centuries. This blend has created a unique cultural tapestry. The city played a vital role during British rule. It was an important source of forest resources. Hazaribag was also part of India's fight for freedom. Many freedom fighters came from this region. Their stories still inspire the people today. Hazaribag is home to many indigenous tribes. The Santals, Mundas and Orayons are a few examples. Each tribe has unique traditions and festivals. They add to the cultural vibrancy of Hazaribag. The tribes have preserved their cultural heritage. You can see it in their music, dance and art. Hazaribag is a paradise for nature lovers. It's also a treasure trove for history buffs. The city offers a diverse range of attractions. One of the most popular is Hazaribag National Park. This park spans over 186 square kilometers. It's home to a variety of animals. You can find tigers, leopards, elephants and more. Birdwatchers will also love this park. It's home to many different bird species. Another must-visit is Hazaribag Lake. This artificial lake is in the heart of the city. It's surrounded by lush greenery, making it a serene spot. You can enjoy boating or simply relax by the lake. Section 5. Fields of Gold, Mines of Opportunity. Hazaribag's economy is primarily agrarian. Agriculture is the backbone of the region. Farmers grow a variety of crops. Rice, maize and wheat are staples. The region also produces vegetables. These crops sustain the local population. They also contribute to the economy. The fertile land and favorable climate support agriculture, but Hazaribag is not just about agriculture. It's also rich in minerals. The region has large deposits of coal and limestone. These minerals are valuable resources. They contribute to the mining sector. Mining provides employment opportunities. It also boosts the local economy. Apart from agriculture and mining, other sectors are also growing. Tourism is gaining momentum. Section 6. Connecting the city roads, rails and runways. Hazaribag is well connected to other parts of India. Roads link it to major cities in Jharkhand and Bihar. The National Highway 33 passes through Hazaribag. This makes it easy to reach by road. You can drive your own vehicle or take a bus. The nearest railway station is Hazaribag Junction. This station connects to major cities across India. Trains run regularly, making it a convenient mode of transport. You can book tickets online or at the station. For those who prefer air travel, there's Hazaribag Airport. It's primarily for smaller aircraft. The airport connects to select cities. This makes it easier for tourists to visit Hazaribag. Section 7. Nurturing Minds Education in Hazaribag. Hazaribag is committed to education. The city has many educational institutions. There are schools for primary and secondary education. For higher studies, there are colleges and technical institutions. Hazaribag College is a renowned institution. It offers undergraduate and postgraduate courses. Another notable institution is Hazaribag Women's College. It provides quality education to women. The city also houses a regional center of Ranchi University. This center offers specialized courses. The focus on education is shaping a brighter future. It empowers the youth with knowledge and skills. Hazaribag is nurturing a generation of skilled professionals. Section 8. A tapestry of festivals celebrating life in Hazaribag. Hazaribag is a city that loves to celebrate. Nestled in the heart of Jharkhand, this city is a vibrant mosaic of cultures and traditions where every festival is celebrated with unmatched zeal and enthusiasm. The people here celebrate various festivals with great enthusiasm. From the colorful attire to the joyous music, every element adds to the festive spirit. The streets come alive with the sounds of laughter, music, and the aroma of delicious traditional foods. You can experience the vibrant culture during these celebrations. The city is adorned with beautiful decorations, and the air is filled with the sounds of traditional songs and dances. Each festival is a unique experience, offering a glimpse into the rich cultural tapestry of Hazaribag. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is a major event. The entire city is illuminated with thousands of diyas and colorful lights, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. Families come together to celebrate, sharing sweets and gifts and performing traditional rituals. Durga Puja, honoring goddess Durga, is another grand celebration. Elaborate pandals are set up, and people gather to offer their prayers and witness cultural performances. The devotion and artistry on display are truly awe-inspiring. Chhath Puja, dedicated to the sun god, is celebrated with fervor. Devotees gather by the riverbanks to perform rituals and offer prayers at sunrise and sunset. The sight of people standing in the water holding offerings is both serene and powerful. Makar Sankranti, marking the harvest season, is also a joyful occasion. The sky is filled with colorful kites, and people celebrate by preparing and sharing traditional sweets made from sesame and jaggery. It's a time of joy and gratitude for the bountiful harvest. Apart from these national festivals, the city also celebrates tribal festivals. These festivals are a testament to the rich and diverse cultural heritage of the tribal communities in Hazaribag. Sarhul and Karma are important tribal festivals. Sarhul marks the beginning of the new year for the tribal communities, while Karma is celebrated to honor the karam tree, symbolizing fertility and prosperity. They showcase the rich cultural heritage of the tribal communities. Traditional music, dance, and rituals are performed with great fervor, reflecting the deep-rooted traditions and beliefs of the people. These festivals are a riot of colors, music, and dance. The vibrant costumes, rhythmic beats, and lively performances create an atmosphere of joy and celebration. They offer a glimpse into the traditions and beliefs of the people. Each festival, with its unique customs and rituals, tells a story of the community's history, values, and way of life, making Hazaribag a truly special place to experience. Hazaribag is a city of many charms. It is a place where you can experience the best of nature, history, and culture. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply looking for a peaceful getaway, Hazaribag has something for you. So come and discover the magic of Hazaribag. You won't be disappointed.